Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix. To know how to fix or how to solve your Netflix app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that in this page you will enter to the window of Netflix and we click. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.